Right now, there are people getting hired to build websites, create Instagram videos, and write business emails. These are real jobs, real skills, and in 2026, there are free AI tools doing every single one of them. I tested hundreds of these tools over the last few months. Most of them, honestly, garbage. But these 7 are the real deal, and you can use all of them from anywhere in the world. Let me show you. Now, real quick. I'm not here to promise you anything. No make $1 million nonsense. What I'm going to show you are tools that give you skills businesses are paying real money for right now in 2026. All the links are in the description. Let's get into tool number 1. So, the first tool literally builds you an entire online store using AI. It's called BuildYourStore.ai, and bro, this thing is wild. You sign up, the AI starts asking you questions. What kind of store you want? Pet products, fashion, electronics. You answer and it just builds the whole thing like a full Shopify store. Products, design, layout, everything. And on the back end, it sets up automatic fulfillment, so when someone orders, the product ships without you doing anything. People used to pay developers $1,000 to $3,000 for this. This is free. Right now, people are running these stores as real side income in 2026. But here is the thing. Having a store is cool, but getting people to actually visit it, that is the real challenge, which is exactly what tool number 2 solves. Okay, so this one is called CreateUGC, and it genuinely freaked me out the first time I used it. You know those videos on TikTok and Instagram where someone's holding a product and talking about how amazing it is? Brands pay influencers $200 to $500 per video for that. This tool does it with AI. You paste the product link, say a water bottle from Amazon, pick an AI influencer from their library, and it generates the whole video. But here is what got me. The AI model actually points to specific features on the product. Like if the bottle has time markers, you point to the line. The water inside even moves around realistically. I watched it 3 times because I couldn't believe it was AI. People are using this right now to drive traffic to their stores. You could use it for your own products or sell this as a service to other store owners. Either way, this key is in crazy demand right now. So now, you have got a store, you have got a video content driving traffic to it. But what about all the other content your business needs? Background, music, sound effects, audio branding. That is where tool number 3 comes in. And honestly, this one surprised me the most. So I never thought AI could make music this good. Like genuinely, I was not expecting this. ElevenLabs, most people know it for voice stuff. But what most people don't know is it also produces full AI generated music and sound effects. And it's actually good. You type something like "She Lofi Study Beat" with a nice rhythm, choose instrumental, it generates, and in under a minute, you have got a complete track. It even breaks it into sections: intro, main beat, outro, and you can tweak each one separately. Don't like the vibe of one part? Change just that section. And sound effects, dog barking, camera shutter, beach ambience, cinematic logo reviews, anything you describe, it makes. Music producers charge $50 to $200 per track. ElevenLabs has a free plan with 10,000 credits a month. Their paid plan is $5 for what used to cost hundreds. Now, the next two, I need you to pay close attention to this one because this is where things get really interesting. Tool number 4 is called Pola AI, and it's basically every top AI model for images and videos in one place. Google's VEO 3.1, Sora 2, Nano Banana Pro, all the latest models, usually available the same day they launch. You can do text to video, image to video, AI avatars, and these viral effects that are blowing up right now, like uploading your photo and it creates a cinematic zoom out showing the entire earth. People are going viral with this on TikTok daily in 2026. Graphic designers charge $30 to $75 an hour. Video editors charge more with these minutes. And here is what I actually do with it. Learn it properly, build a portfolio, and offer content creation to businesses. Most business owners have zero clue these tools exist. You become the person who knows it. That is your advantage. Okay, stop for a second. If you are watching this, you are still paying $20 a month for just ChatGPT. I need you to hear this because you are leaving so much on the table and you probably don't even realize it. This tool is called i10s and it gives you every major AI model in one dashboard. GPT-5, Gemini 2.5 Pro, Claude, Grok, DeepSeek, Meta, all of them. Or the killer feature, the chat arena. You send the same prompt to two models side by side and see which one's actually better. I tested it with an angry customer email. Both GPT-5 and Claude were solid, but Claude was noticeably better for that task. Now I know exactly which model to use for what. It also has Perplexity deep research built in, image creation, video creation, PDF chart. Is kind of saying how much is packed in air. Business consultants charge $50 to $100 an hour for writing documents and emails. With this, you are doing it yourself, better and faster. People are running entire freelance businesses off this tool in 2026. Tool number 6 is a combo, and honestly, once you try this, you can't go back. So I was researching a topic for a video last month and I spent like 3 hours going through Google, opening 20 tabs and trying to figure out what was actually accurate. Then someone showed me this combo. I did the same research in 10 minutes. I literally sat there like, why did nobody tell me about this sooner? Perplexity for research, Google NotebookLM for organizing everything, both free. You ask Perplexity anything, it searches the web in real time and gives you an organized report with citations for every single claim. So you can actually verify what you are reading. Then you take all of that, the text, the source links, and drop it into NotebookLM. Now, here is where it gets crazy. NotebookLM turns all that research into a knowledge base you can chat with. Ask it questions, get summaries, and it can even generate a video overview with someone explaining your research or an audio version you can listen to like a podcast. Research assistants charge $25 to $50 an hour. This does it in 10 minutes for free. Yes, for free. Students and freelancers everywhere are using this combo daily right now. Okay, last one, and this is the one that feels straight out of a movie. Google Opal. You go to opal.google, describe an app in plain English, and it builds it. That's it. I typed create a task tracking app for kids. Seconds later, full working app, starts screening, task input, interactive checklist, everything. You can build book recommendations app, quiz tools, business utilities, whatever you describe. And when you are done, click share, get a link, and anyone in the world can use your app instantly. People are building tools for local businesses and even charging for access to custom apps they have made in 2026. App developers charge $50 to $150 an hour. You just did it in seconds with zero coding. And if you want to go deeper, Google AI Studio lets you build more complex stuff, also free. So look, here is the reality. These 7 tools aren't replacing people. They are replacing expensive processes. And the people who learn them now, they are going to have a head start anyone else is going to spend years trying to catch up to. But don't just watch this video and do nothing. That is what 95% of people will do. Pick one tool, just one. Learn it this week. Start using it. That is how this actually works. And if you don't know which one to start with, go with Pola AI. It's the most visual, the most fun, and you will see results in the first 5 minutes. Links in the description if you want to see the complete AI tools I am using right now that nobody's talking about yet. Click this video right here. I see you in the next one. And you wake up.